Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis forecast for gold for 23rd of June 2023. Starting with Forex Factory, let's see what's going on in terms of news. Right, we have some news, uh, have impact news, 2:45 p.m. That's for the US dollar. And we got some other heavy impact news as well, but we generally interested in these news, gold for gold for USD news. So let's see. So it's having impact. It's having impact news. It may affect how uh, gold runs. And it's Friday. Friday usually a one-sided movement in gold, not always, but usually. So let's see what this brings. This data. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. This is the first one. The second one is same actually greater than than forecast is good for currency as well. So that's the situation for gold for Forex Factory, and going to our chart for Dixie, what we can see that let's start from daily. We probably have a better picture in daily. Now you can see the Dixie is going down, and also gold is going down. Let's see in daily. So what's the correlation? The correlation is that normally when Dixie goes up, the gold goes down. But here it's not the same situation. The reason is because uh, it's probably because dollar is artificially been maintained by taking the interest rates to the upside, and they're trying to maintain the economy. And also the technical analysis for gold is showing the bearish movement, so it has to go down. As you can see here, there's a break of this structure. There's a huge break of this structure. There's a massive, look, all this has been broken. So what does that mean? The market can come higher, either reject from here, go back, or if it breaks this level, 1900 level, we can expect around 1815 level, or even this level, 1860 level. So if this level broken, I would spare around 1810 to 1815 level. But let's see how the market behaves. You can see that in terms of Dixie, we look in the market that in Dixie, the smaller time frame, because gold is going down, so we have to look for a sell trade. So as you clearly can see, at this level, when the gold at this level here, when the about 1 o'clock, when the Dixie was going up, the gold was 1 hour. The gold was coming down. So that's where you have to look for it. Because gold has a bearish movement, so we have to go to smaller time frame and look for small in Dixie, and go to smaller time frame in gold as well, and look for bearish movement. So this is how you can analyze in terms of Dixie. Dixie went up in 1 hour, as you can see. Gold went down, which is the correlation of gold with Dixie. So that's the situation now, and what we expect for tomorrow. Tomorrow, as I showed you this level, these are the sum of the levels. So it's possible the market can go up to this, it can be rejected from here and go all over, do a deeper retest. It is possible. We have to look for smaller time frame evidence. And now it's in half an hour, you can kind of see kind of double bottom type thing here. And it's possible the market goes back to the upside. And 4-hour market, it's still bearish candle. So let's see, we know our levels and we'll play accordingly. So if the market broke the level at the market opening time, especially when there's a volatility in the market, or even in the news time, when there is a lot of volatility, we can expect the movement according to our analysis. So this level here does not need to be broken before we can see any further movement to the upside or downside. So I hope this is helpful. And guys, if you do like it, please make sure you put your comment. And if you if you have any questions, please write in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.